Hi everyone, this is Jen. I hope you're having a great day. Today's recipe is not food, but something that can still be enjoyed by both kids and adults. Bath bombs! I love making these with my kids because they can see how the whole process works and make their own colorful bath bomb. And when they use it, they can see how their creation turns out. So let's get started right away. Here is the ingredients you will need. First step, we'll mix all the dry ingredients into a medium-sized bowl. That includes baking soda, citric acid, cornstarch, and salt. 2. Whisk all together. We can break up any chunks by hand or any mixing tool. 3. Mix the melted coconut oil and water together. 4. Using dropping method to very slowly add the water mixture to the dry ingredients. Whisk at the same time to prevent causing too much fizz. Now we can test our mixture to see if it will hold together like this once it's fully mixed. Add a small amount of water if the mixture still seems too dry. If you want to make your bath bomb multiple color, divide the mixture up into separate bowls. Add 1 to 2 drops of food coloring to each bowl and mix well. Now we're finally ready to make our bath bomb. Overfill one side of the bath bomb mold with the mixture. This is when you can be creative and mix different colors and patterns. And then you can put a small toy into the mold as a surprise for the kids or for yourself, of course. We will want both sides of the mold to be a bit overfilled. Now firmly press the 2 sides of the mold together. Allow the bath bomb to sit for an hour, then give the mold a tap with a spoon and carefully remove it to reveal the bath bomb. If the bath bomb breaks apart while opening, simply add back to the mold and press them firmly and let them sit for a while again. Now once the bath bombs are out, let them dry overnight. When you're ready to use them, simply drop the bath bomb into warm water and watch it fizz and reveal a surprise toy. Kids go crazy for these. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple recipe and your beautiful bath bomb. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video.